Hello, today I'm going to show you my collection of some designer shoes. In this review, I'll be discussing comfort, materials, maintenance, and price value. I'm a shopaholic, and this video might help you decide if this is what you are looking for or not. Let's take a look at my Chanel shoes. So, haven't even opened them yet, taking them out of the bag. As you can see, a plain Chanel black bag. So this is what the box looks like. Just like the bag, just a little bit shinier. To be honest, it's the first shoes that I bought and opened. They have double layer material, double layers for protection. It comes with two dust bags, which I love. So when you travel, you can put your shoes in there and they don't have to touch your clothes after you wear them. So very handy. I love having these bags. So you get two, one for each shoe. So this is what the shoe looks like from a bird's eye. Okay, let's take a look here. Very soft, which I love. Since my feet are very delicate, I always have to look for soft material, so I know they will not hurt me. They don't have heels, they're flat, but I love shoes like this. This kind of shoe, you can actually wear it with some dresses, dressy pants for an office attire, jeans for casual. I love it because you can wear them with a lot of different styles. I believe this is actually, it's leather. They're made in Italy. And maintenance, I believe they're very easy also to maintain, just with the cloth, soft cloth. You can actually just wipe. If you can see here, the little pendants, they're like two C's. Have some little rhinestones. Makes the shoe look a little bit fancier. Very nice touch. Which I like because they're not materials. They're not stitched in C's like some of the shoes are. They have the stitched C's for Chanel's. Price value for this shoe. I know there are other shoes that look like this that are not as expensive as Chanel's. You can probably find something like this that costs like within range of $30, $40, $50. But here, I think I'm paying a lot just for the name Chanel, for the brand. But if you love yourself and you like to spoil yourself, go for it. I love to spoil myself. I think I deserve good things. I work hard, so why not? Gotta spoil myself. So these are my Chanel shoes. Hope you like this video. If you like it, hit like and subscribe. I will be adding more reviews on other designer shoes. And thank you for watching.